Greenhouse effect. An intervention material, general science for developing released by yours truly, Ma'am Mildred. Leela sat in the sun. The sun was hot. Leela said, "The sun can warm the land." A gas sat by Leela. The gas said, "I am Arrow. I am a gas in the air." Arrow said, "Earth has a big blanket. The blanket is gas in the air. The blanket keeps Earth warm." The sun sends light in Earth. Earth sends heat out. We gases keep some heat in, said Arrow. Leela saw smoke. She saw cars, oil, and coal. Arrow said, "Too much gas makes the blanket too thick." Arrow said, "A thick blanket traps too much heat. Earth gets too hot. This is global warming." Leela said, "I can help. I can plant a tree. I can save power. I can walk to school." Arrow said, "Good job, Leela. Small acts can help Earth. We can keep Earth warm, not hot." Leela said, "I will help Earth each day." So that's all. Please do these activities